Okay, we're going to learn to draw two more 3D shapes today. Okay, so the first one is not one we really worked with in math this go around. It's not a pyramid. I know some of you are thinking that's what we're seeing. We're actually seeing a triangular prism. Okay, or sometimes this one just gets called a prism. And there are shapes like this that are made out of glass or sometimes a special other material that are great for helping to see all the colors of the rainbow. So just a fun fact. But we are going to start this one with a triangle, okay? And this is actually called an equilateral triangle, the one that they did here. And it's called that because all three sides are equal. It's kind of the square of triangles. All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Okay, so make it as equal as you can. And then kind of like when we were doing the rectangular prism or the cube, we are going to do a second equilateral triangle overlapping the first, just down and to the side a little bit. So two equilateral triangles. And then also, just like the rectangular prism and cube, we're going to connect corners. So they had us connect the top corner, and then they're having us connect the bottom corners. Okay. And there we have a triangular prism. Practice some more on the outside. What could this help you make? Could it maybe be the roof of a house? Try some fun pictures with it. Okay, the last one we're going to do is the cone. Just like the cylinder that has a circle, a flat circle on the base, this one also has a flat circle. So we're going to go ahead and draw an oval because when you look at it straight, you will not see a circle. You will see more of an oval. You'd have to turn it right on the end to be able to see the circle. Okay, and then we are going to take a diagonal line from the edge of that oval up to the top. And notice when I go to the top, I'm lined up with the middle. Oh, I forgot to do it down here. We'll do an oval. And then think where the middle is of that oval. Okay, it's about right there. So I'm going to go diagonal until I am about where the middle is. Okay, that way I can do a second diagonal coming back down and land on the other edge, just like that. Okay, and how could you turn this into another picture? We could turn it around and make it ice cream from our ice cream days. We could turn it into a party hat. What are some other ideas you have? Okay, practice drawing that shape over again. And I'd love to see some of the creations you come up with using 3D shapes that you've drawn. Okay, have fun with it. Bye.